Alright friends, so hanging a floating shelf. Lost the little template because I'm rehanging this. So what I'm doing is measuring from the center to the center here with my level. So it looks like it's about at the 10. Put the 10 on there in the middle, and we're looking at 29.5. So with my level, marking about where I want my first shelf, make sure it's perfectly level, and then I marked a dot there where I want it to be. Why is that not level? Sorry about that. Probably should use my tripod here, but that's okay. So I'll put a little dot down here at the 10, right there. And then another dot here at the 29.5. I'm going to drill a hole in there and put in my wall anchors. Okay, so yeah, I have my drill here. And I'm going to try to get right in the center of this dot here. And that is not the center. And that's not the center, so. Alright. It appears it wants to spin off course here, of course. So I'm going to take my screwdriver and start a pilot hole here. Right there. And that should give us enough room to drill through in the back. And do the same thing right here on this little dot, right in the center. And I go all the way through with my screwdriver, but I don't want to blast out a hole in the back, so kind of weakens your wall anchors. So now I have a nice little hole. Drill that straight into there. Oops. And same thing on this side. Went over there, so there's probably a stud right there. That's perfect. Alright, so I'll get my wall anchors in. Yeah, there's one. Get the other one right here. Get back in there. Get my screws in there. And we don't want to screw these in too far. Leave a little bit of the top poking out so our shelf can fit on there. About like that. Might have to adjust a little bit tighter to make the shelf tighter as well. Okay, let's hang our shelf on there. and see if we got our screws lined up or not. Look at that. Okay. So this one's a little loose there. Why does that not look level? It does not look level at all. Don't really have a reason to account for why it's that far off. My goodness. One's got to be down or something. No, it's on. Oops. So this needs to be screwed out a little bit. All right, we'll be back.